व्हाट्स अप यूट्यूब। आज हम लोग चेस्ट हिट करेंगे, उसके बाद हम लोग सोएंगे क्योंकि हम लोग को और कोई काम नहीं है। तो हार्डकोर जिम मेट कमिंग इन 3, 2, 1।
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all. Standing tall, fear outweighed the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, then you hit your teens. Life ain't really what it seems, try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm
ठीक है भाई लोग। ओके गाइस, मेरे अभी एक साल हुआ है जिम में, तो आई जस्ट वांट टू टेल यू गाइस द पॉसिबिलिटीज ऑफ व्हाट्स पॉसिबल। एक साल में क्या हो सकता है। So I went from looking like this to this to this. I'm gonna put my photos. ठीक है, तो एज यू कैन सी मतलब साल के स्टार्टिंग में मैं था 90 केजीज, लाइक 90 केजीज। उसके बाद I went all the way down to 68 and I just want to show you guys that anything is possible with consistency. और खाने में मैं उतना मतलब दिमाग ने टॉर्चर किया. लाइक आई एम वेजिटेरियन सो आई डोंट ईट नॉन वेज. मैं अंडा भी नहीं खाता हूँ. मैं सिर्फ दो चीज़ किया हूँ. एक है कंसिस्टेंटली जिम आना और कैलोरीज को ट्रैक करना. हेल्थीफाई मी ऐप का एक ऐप है, उसका नाम है हेल्थीफाई मी. तो ये दोनों चीज़ करके मतलब आई कैन सी लॉट ऑफ चेंजेस. तो यू सी ऑल दीज फिटनेस इन्फ्लुएंसर्स इंस्टाग्राम में, यूट्यूब में, जो इतने बड़े हैं, मतलब इतना बड़े दिखते हैं. दैट मच उतना बड़ा दिखना इज नॉट एक्चुअली रिक्वायर्ड. For the normal people doing 9 to 5 jobs would like to dedicate 5-6 years 2 hours हर रोज जिम जाना, ये खाना वो खाना, तो उतना बड़ा दिखने के लिए is not completely required. I'm just here to show you guys that एक घंटे if you go every day 1 hour, एक साल के लिए you can make so many changes. मैं सिर्फ दो चीज़ किया guys. I'm talking from my heart. एक था हर रोज आना as I mentioned और कैलोरीज को ट्रैक करना. तो what do I mean by calorie tracking? तो link में I'll give you one description to calculate your maintenance calories, which you have to enter वजन और तेरा height enter करना है. On top of that you will get your maintenance calories. So according to my height and weight मेरा है 2500. तो मैं उसके ऊपर खाऊंगा then I'll gain weight. उसके कम खाऊंगा then I'll lose weight. बहुत सीधा आसान है. तो all I want you guys to do from now is to track your calories. Guys, I'm telling you, tracking your calories is so important. You'll learn so much. Just whatever you eat, right? Just track it for like 3 months and you'll get to know ये खाने में ये कैलोरी है, वो खाने में वो कैलोरी है, and you'll be so surprised. तो फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैं सोचता था एक 10 रुपये का बिस्किट पैकेट है, क्या है मतलब कम कैलोरीज है ना, मतलब कुछ नहीं है. बट आई रियलाइज दैट एक 10 रुपये का पैकेट में ऑलमोस्ट 400 कैलोरीज है. सो I realized something that instead of getting that packet of 10 rupees biscuit, I can eat 5 रोटी खा सकता हूँ. एक रोटी 90 कैलोरी का है तो मैं 5 रोटी खा सकता हूँ. एक बिस्किट का पैकेट 400 कैलोरीज है. तो it's actually important. I know many people who are joining they're like भाई ये कैलोरीज हैं, इतने दिमाग क्यों ख़राब करना है. But to be very honest guys, थोड़ा तो एफर्ट करना है. थोड़ा मतलब weight loss is not easy. Otherwise everyone be fit having अच्छा body है, सब लोग के साथ घूम रहे होंगे. Now I feel like in India the biggest problem after mental torture and cyberbullying and stuff like that is like being overweight and being insecure about yourself. So and I used to be the same honestly. मैं 20 साल के लिए मोटा था और I used to feel so insecure every time I see my reflection. Every time I have to go buy new clothes. That is when it hit me the most, so hard in my heart. Like, why am I like this? But when I was stuffing myself with cakes and stuff like that, I didn't feel anything. So all I want you guys to do is just to do these two things. And I see all these influencers, right? They'll be like low fat paneer, low fat yeah, low fat war. Is that even required, guys? Seriously? First of all, these fitness influencers have no other job. All they do is like work out, they sleep. That's their whole life. We have many other things to do. हम लोग को काम करना है, ये करना है, वो करना है. This is not our life, right? I just want to make this like a lifestyle that anyone can follow. So the main problem with this fitness influence होता है like they'll make these cooking videos, ये लाओ, वो खाओ. But we don't have time for that, seriously. Maybe Saturday Sunday में एक time, दो time हो गया. But like, I've heard so many times like a fitness influencers बोलेंगे low fat paneer खाओ, low fat curd खाओ. क्यों? Like just eat normal curd, normal paneer like a normal human being. Right? Don't think too much, guys. And honestly, 1 year में I showed you the pictures, right? एक साल में मैं सिर्फ दाल चावल खाऊँ बस. दाल चावल, normal curd, normal paneer, soybean. I didn't think anything. Low fat ये low fat वो, high calorie ये, 0 calorie no. I'm telling you guys, like consistency is so important. It's so magical that none of everything just vanishes compared to consistency, guys. And coming to one more topic, ये protein powder और ये सब pre-workout. मेरे एक साल में I haven't even taken one scoop of pre-workout, guys. It's not required. Imagine telling yourself जिम जाने के लिए मेरे को पाउडर चाहिए, जिम के बाद एक और पाउडर चाहिए, प्रोटीन पाउडर. Like कुछ भी करने के लिए मेरे को ये चाहिए. क्यों? You don't need all that stuff, guys. All you do is like tell your brain that you should start this and just start. It's not like you take it's not like you eat something or take powder before you sit to watch TV or something, and that's something you really enjoy doing. So it's like not required honestly. It's a waste of money. 5,000 6,000 प्रोटीन पाउडर के लिए, 5,000 जिम के लिए, ऐसे like money is going. The only supplement I took, honestly, I'm telling you guys from my heart, is creatine. It's around 1,500 and it lasts for 3 months. Protein powders like 2,000 3,000 1 kg के लिए, and I go for like 1 month. And honestly guys, I used it and it didn't help me much. Not required. It's just complete waste of money. बकवास चीज़ है honestly. और मम्मी पापा आजकल मैं वो सब पाउडर देख के दे हैव मिक्स्ड फीलिंग, ये क्या है, मतलब ये क्यों ले रहा है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई नोटिस वन थिंग, लाइक इंडियन पेरेंट्स दे थिंक जिम इज लाइक सम बैड प्लेस. I don't know why. I also went through this, guys, and I wanted to join the gym. My mom and dad like, क्यों जाना है, अच्छा चीज़ नहीं है, it breaks the body. Many people who go to gym get heart attack and stuff like that. It's not entirely true. It's not entirely true. So so it's, all this stuff you do is like all these stereotypes you hear. Not true, guys. I'm just being real with you guys. I want to be open and directly connect with you guys that all of this stuff, like going to gyms, there's nothing bad. But I would say that I'm against taking protein. I'm not against it. I find it completely waste and pointless. Like पैसा बर्बाद और हर रोज जिम जाओ, consistency वही. It's such a powerful word that very less people actually do it. They see it through the end. At least एक साल में 300 दिन जाओगे ना, then you'll see so many changes. See, the first lift, the first 2-3 lifts, all you feel is you just feel tired. But then how do you feel after 300 lifts, after 500, after 1,000 lifts? You become a person that no one can realize. Yourself, your family, your friends, like no one around you can believe it just because you did it every day consistently. So, बस वही